So hey everyone, welcome back to the Trading Net. I am excited to dive into today's topic about the Freshara Agro Exports IPO. So let's first start with the industry overview and Indian agriculture sector. So India is one of the largest exporter of agriculture product in the world. Our major exports include rice, marine products like fish and processed food and textile. Indian food processing industry. So this is the one of the fastest growing sector in India thanks to its good location close to Europe, the Middle East and Asian countries. And this industry is expected to grow at 3% per year from 2022 to 2030. Gherkins and pickled vegetables. So gherkins are small cucumbers used for pickles. So India produces about 15% of the world gherkins. We export this mainly to Europe, USA and Middle East countries. Technological advancement. So better irrigation facilities, pest control, post-harvesting technologies have made Indian agriculture more efficient and improved the quality of products. So coming to the company's overview. Introduction to Freshara Agro Exports. So the company was started in 2015 as a public company. In 2020 it became public. The company is focused on buying, processing and exporting gherkins and other pickled vegetables around the world. Operations and procurements. So Freshara sources product directly from certified farms that follow sustainable farming method. The company provides farmers with seeds and other material, ensuring they grow high quality crops. Their processing facility are in Tamil Nadu, where gherkins are processed under strict quality control and packed in safe food grade containers. Product range and markets. So Freshara offers gherkin, cucumbers, pickled vegetables and custom flavored pickles. They export to countries like Europe, USA, Australia, Russia and the Middle East countries. Key achievements. So Freshara holds 10% of the gherkin exports market. They were named as MSME of the year in both 2023 and 2020. Sustainability and farmer partnerships. So Freshara worked with farmers in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh through contract farming. They offer fair price, clear contract and good compensation for farmers. Now let's take a look at key risk factors that could potentially impact the company operation and growth. So first one is revenue dependency on gherkins. Higher dependency. A large part of Freshara Agro Exports revenue comes from selling gherkins. So if the demand for gherkins drops or there are supply chain issue, it could seriously harm the business. Next one is operational risk. So third party reliance. Freshara heavily depend on outside contractor for development processing and for their delivery purpose. So if this contractor don't meet the company standard, it could lead to delays, product defects, higher cost or even the lost customers. Next is customer and market risk. No long-term contracts. So the company relies on purchase order instead of long-term contracts, meaning order can be changed or cancelled, which makes it harder to predict production and revenue. Next one is concentration of exports. So over 90% of Russia sales are to countries like Russia, Spain and France. So making this company vulnerable to economic or political changes in those regions. Next one is external factor, natural disasters. So events such as floods, cyclones, or pandemic would disrupt the Freshara operations and negatively affect its business. Uh, Political risk. Act of terrorism or military conflicts both in India or abroad could also have a negative impact on the business. So moving on to the SWOT analysis. Strengths. So diversified product range. Freshara exports a wide variety of pickled vegetables, including gherkins, baby corns, and more. All products go through strict quality check and quality assurance. So the companies follow food safety standard and international guidelines, making it a trusted export partner. Weaknesses. So revenue dependency on gherkins. A large portion of the company income comes from gherkin sales, making it vulnerable to changes in demand and supply. Third-party dependency. So the company rely on outside contractor for many operations, increasing the risk of delays or quality issues. Opportunities. International market growth. So expanding further into market like Europe, the USA, or Middle East countries offers a great potential for revenue growth. Technological advancements. So investing in modern processing technology could improve efficiency and open up new opportunities. Threats. So regulatory and economic changes. The company faces risk from changes in trade policies, taxes, or political instability in its main export markets. Natural disasters. So events like floods, pandemic could seriously disrupt the operations. So here is the IPO detail of this company. So this is a book build issue and they are offering 64,99,200 share, which aggregates to approximately 75.39 crore. All these shares are fresh shares being issued and the face value of each share is rupees 10 and this share will be priced between 110 and 116 each and the lot size you can buy these shares in lots of 1200. Once the IPO is completed, the share will be listed on NSE SME. Now take a look at the IPO timeline. So the IPO will open on October 17 and it will close on Monday, October 21. You can expect the basis of allotment to be announced on Tuesday, October 2022 and the listing date will be finally the shares will be listed on the exchange on Thursday, October 24, 2024. Once the IPO is completed, the share will be listed on NSE SME. Alright, so the minimum and maximum application that a retail can apply for is one lot, which equals to 1200 shares for a total amount of 1,39,200. And for HNI investor, the minimum application is 2 lot, which equal to 2,400 shares and for a total amount of 2,78,400. So now let's talk about the IPO reservation for this IPO. So 50% of the shares are for big investor QIBs and 35% are for regular retail investors and 15% are for high net worth individuals HNIs. Let's now take a quick look at the financial for Freshara Agro Exports. And so the asset grew by 94.70% from 8,490.64 lakhs in March 2023 to 16,599.73 lakh in September 2024. And the revenue grew by 57.59% from 12,722 lakhs in March 2023 to 19,801.58 lakh in March 2024. And the profit after tax rose by 140.32% from 908.20 lakh in March 2023 to 2,182.41 lakh in March 2024. And their net worth and reserve have grown significantly along with borrowings. So the company finances show steady growth over the years. Now let's quickly review some important financial metrics. So return on capital employed stand at 12.31%, showing that the company efficiency is generating return from its capital. Debt to equity ratio is 2.77, indicating a significant level of leverage. And the return on net worth is strong at 29.67%, reflecting profitability relative to equity. And profit after tax margin is 10.98, giving a clear picture of the company profitability. Now take a look at the objective of the issue. So first one is capital expenditure, up to 864.98 lakh for business improvement they needed, and working capital up to 5,600 lakh to support ongoing operations, and finally the general corporate purposes. A portion of that fund will be allocated for this, but the amount is need to be finalized. So as of 16th of October, GMP is at rupees 75, which indicates a positive trend with today's movement being GMP up, and the subject to order rate is at rupees 68,400, and the estimate listing price is projected to be rupees 191, which gives us a potential gain of 64.67%. So thanks for watching everyone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more trading insights. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Happy trading and see you next time. Bye.